Ukraine has carried out a brazen sea drone attack on a major naval base in Russia, causing a damaged Russian warship to list heavily in the Black Sea. The attack comes against rising tensions in the Black Sea and stepped-up Ukrainian strikes against targets across Russia after President Volodymyr Zelensky pledged to return the war to Russian territory. A sea drone carrying nearly 1,000 pounds of TNT hit the ship, and about 100 Russian servicemen were aboard. The Russian ship, the Olenogorsky Gornyak, was hit, resulting in serious damage and inability to fulfill its duties. The operation was carried out jointly by the Security Service of Ukraine and the Ukrainian Navy. Novorossiysk, Russia's largest port by volume of cargo handled, is a base for Russia's Black Sea Fleet. The Russian Seafarers Union later claimed the port was working in normal mode and everything was calm. Ukrainian presidential advisor Mikhailo Podolyak praised the strike, stating that drones are changing the rules of the game, returning the waters to full-fledged foreign jurisdiction, and ultimately destroying the value of the Russian fleet.